Okay friends, so if you are looking for an easiest strategy to trade binary options in a profitable way, then this video is for you. This strategy that I'm going to show you in this video, I have already created a video in the past, okay, and I will give that video link anywhere in the screen at the end of this video. You can watch that video too. But in that video that I have created in the past, one of my YouTube subscriber have commented, if you have some additional tip for this strategy, then please provide that tip in that. By seeing that comment, I decided to recreate this video especially for that subscriber, and in a hope of making this video reach more people so that I can help more people to make them profitable trades. Okay, that's why I'm creating this video. So watch this video very carefully, because this strategy is extremely simple and you can literally start to use this strategy right after watching this video. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. But before that, if you want some free binary signals on a daily basis to trade binary options in a profitable way, then do join my free Telegram channel. So firstly, you make all of these currency pair favorite, okay, that have over 80% payout. Just make this star yellow and it will appear anywhere at this top. Okay, once you do this much, then select the candlestick time frame as 15. That means each of these candles are forming in 15-second time frame. Okay, and then if it is flag at here, then make it clock and select as 15 time frame. So this is the trading time frame. Okay, so we'll be trading on 15-second time frame and decide the amount that you want to invest. Now the strategy is extremely simple. So whenever you switch the currency pair, as you can see here, 5 seconds remaining, 3 seconds, and this candle is red. So you make trade by clicking on lower, whichever direction the candle is going on at that time. Okay, in when 1 second is remaining in this candle, exactly at that time make trade by clicking on lower. Okay, now the additional tip that I want to give you in this video is, here you can see we have made this trade profitable. Okay, the additional tip that I'm going to give you in this video is make 5 trades in one set. Okay, and see if you can make 3 trades right and your two trade goes wrong, then also you are in profit. Okay, and with this simple strategy, maximum of the time you can become profitable. Okay, so you just need to do is, you just switch the currency pair and see the time frame like 1 second remaining. Okay, you could have made trade by clicking on lower and most probably you could have gone right. Okay, but that doesn't happen all the time. Here you can see candle have started to move up, but in the end it can come to red also. Okay, but it didn't, so this trade might have gone wrong. Okay, in this way you can make this trade. In my past video I have clearly shown this strategy, but I'll show you again. Like here, 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5, 4. If the candle is in red, in green, so it is in red, so I made a trade by clicking on lower at here. Okay, so here you can see the candle was red, that's why I made a trade by clicking on lower, and most probably this trade can go right, as you can see here. But here you can see again it have started to move in the opposite direction and we made loss in this trade. Okay, so I'll again, so one was profit, one was loss. Let's do the 5 trade and 1 set. Okay, so we have made 2 trades, one was right, one was wrong, right? So here you can see 3, 2, 1. Another trade will make trade by clicking on lower here because this candle was in red. So this is the extremely simple strategy. Okay, you don't need to take lots of headache for this strategy, but sometimes your trade might continuously go wrong. Okay, you need to care about that also. So let's we made 3 trades, 2 were right, 1 was wrong. Okay, so let's switch to another currency pair, and here you can see 8 seconds, 7 seconds remaining. So let's see, 2 seconds, 1 second, and it is green, so we make trade by clicking on higher because this candle was green. Okay, that's why I made a trade by clicking on higher. So let's wait and see what happens in this trade. 3, 2, 1, 0. So we made loss. We were about to make profit, but we made loss. So 2 loss, 2 profit. Okay, so now the last trade will decide whether we will become profitable or not. So here you can see green, red. So it is red. So why, that's why this candle closed on the red. So in 1 second we made a trade by clicking on lower at here. So now let's see what happens in this trade. Seems like we are going to make profit. And yes, we made profit in this trade. So that means our 3 trade went right and 2 trade went wrong. Hence, we were profitable in this trade. So this was the one set. Now you can make trade with another set with 5 trades. Okay. And in this way, you can continuously keep in making trade and make profit for yourself. Now what I'll do is I'll give you the video that I've created in the past. Please watch that video also, because it will train your unconscious mind even more to make this strategy work for you seamlessly. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.